if you want to achieve something big in your life, so you have to shadow them, and firstly you have to be consistency. Otherwise, if you are started thinking about that what other people would think about you, that you are not going to achieve anything in your life, my friend, because this is a rule of our society, that nobody going to happy with your success. Your parents, your family is going to be happy always. Okay, so don't think the other people, what other people would think about you. And I have told you many times, and I have made a video on that no one is going to taking care of you. You have to take care of yourself, and you have to show the people that you can do anything what you want to do in your life. Okay, so firstly get rid of everything from your mind, that what other people would think about you. If your dream is big, if you want to really speak English fluently like native English speaker, then please start speaking. Let the people think what they are thinking about you, because I have seen nowadays, I am getting opportunity to see those kind of people that they are becoming very smart. Okay, but I don't care about it. Let's suppose that initially when I was learning English, so that time always people used to think about me negatively, but my friend, I didn't care about it, and I kept doing what I was doing. So therefore right now you can see me, right now I can speak English with confidently and fluently. Let's suppose that if I would have thought about that what other people would think about me, so I am not gonna speak, because when will I speak, them other people would laugh at me. What other people would think about me. If I thought about this kind of things, then right now I would not be able to speak in English like I am speaking right now. Okay, so I am telling you, you should get rid of everything from your mind, that what other people would think about you, because nobody going to become happy from your success. Okay, people always try to push you back, my friend. Okay, so you should not do these kind of things, and you should start doing what you want to do in your life. Firstly, I would always say only one thing, that don't think other people what other people would think about you. I know that if you are learn English, if you are speak English, then your parents is going to be feel proud of you. Okay, so you should start doing what you want to do. Firstly, let the people think what they are thinking about you. I know that people are not going to success. Okay, people are not going to make you success. You have to be successful by yourself. So how can you do that? So first of all, you have to believe yourself. Unless you believe yourself, then you are not going to do anything in your life. Let's suppose that I have received many messages of my viewer, and many English learner always commented on my video, and they personally message me, sir, I have been learning English for 2 years or 3 years, but I cannot see any improvement of my spoken English, because I have the huge knowledge of grammar, and even though I can understand English better, but problem is that when I try to speak English with someone, so that time I cannot speak a single sentence of English. So this is my problem. People always messaged me. People always want to know this regarding issue. So I always said to my friend that you think so much that what other people would think about you, because you don't want to speak. I know that you want to speak English fluently like native English speaker, but you don't want to open your mouth. You have the big problem of it. You think that if you speak wrong sentence, unfortunately by mistake, if you speak the wrong sentence, then what other people would think about you. So that's why you don't wanna speak. So I am telling my dearest friend, let the people think what they are thinking about you. Just you have to do what you want to do in your life, because people are not going to become happy. Okay, people are not going to be happy from your success. You have to do it. You have to do it by yourself. Because I want to tell you untold a story of mine, that initially when I was learning English, so that time people always used to make fun of me a lot, and they used to laugh at me a lot, but I didn't care about it, and I kept doing what I was doing. So therefore right now I can say that right now I can speak English fluently. So why? Because I didn't care about what other people would think about me. Now the people who will watching my video, then they will always try to think about me that they are speaking English, but I don't care about it. Okay, my friend, I told you many times, I don't care about it anything, because I know who am I. So firstly you have to also be in attitude. Okay, so don't think what other people would think about me. I have seen many people, and I have faced a lot of people. They have the knowledge of small things, and they are becoming smart, that they are thinking that they are the astrologer one. No one can defend their education. So don't think, because ego is the 3-letter word which can destroy 12-letter word called relationship. Okay, so you should not get ego. If you have the knowledge of anything, then you should try to help the other. Then one day you will definitely be a successful man. Okay, so just try to always follow my tips and tricks, because I always say to my friend that don't think what other people would think about you. Okay, because you are going to run your family, nobody going to take care of your family. Okay, you have to take care of your family by yourself. So don't think what other people would think about you. Just start doing what you want to do, and definitely one day you will be able to speak in English fluently like native English speaker. If you don't believe my word, then I would suggest you to that please search on my YouTube channel Pankaj Pep Talks and watch my first video. In my first video I was not able to speak English, but I kept making video and I kept uploading on my YouTube channel. So since then until now, right now you can see me, right now I can speak English with confidently. Okay, let's suppose that if I would have also thought about that, no, I'm not going to speak in English because other people laugh at me a lot. So therefore right now I could not speak in English, my friend. No. So that's why I am telling you, just let the people think what they are thinking about you, and just you have to start what you want to do in your life. Okay, thank you. I will come back with another video, then keep practicing and have fun. So thank you.